This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, water heater, oven, slide-out, refrigerator, LP detector, stovetop burner, microwave, smoke detector, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M is built on a Ford E350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.